So we are here in the Golden City, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan, as the Border Security Force celebrates its 57th Raising Day function. Right behind me is Seema Prahari Narmada. This is the water wing of the BSF, and you can see this is a floating BOP. So let's understand what a floating BOP is. See, the terrain that the BSF guards includes land, includes water as well as air. So it established the air wing. You can see the helicopters in 69. BSF of course was formed in 65, but it has water wing as well, because if you look at the Arabian Sea, there is the Gujarat coast, particularly the Sir Creek area, and then if you go to the Bay of Bengal side, there is the Sundarbans Delta. That is where these ships or the floating BOPs come handy, where the personnel of Border Security Force reside. So this is like home to them. Let's look at the ship. So you've got the two flags, the Indian flag, the national tricolour, and the Border Security Force flag. Those are the policing colours. And then you can see the communication system, the search system, navigation system, the radar, GPS. You've got these tires, life-saving equipments. One can sail in the ship, also in these small boats, if required for any counter-attack by the BSF. Or you could also put an anchor and halt the ship at a particular place. These are the technical specifications of the floating BOPs. So as far as Seema Prahari Narmada is concerned, its length is 46 meters, breadth 12 meters. And if you look at the speed, it's 8 knots. That means 8 nautical miles. That's about 15 km per hour. And the smaller boats could be having a speed of about 30 to 35 knots. That's about 60 km per hour. Capacity, it can house 38 persons. That's one platoon. The fuel used for engine is diesel. Some of the things are run on petrol as well. So here inside this floating BOP, you will have air conditions, living section, rooms. There is gym, there is mess. It's like a house. I think salute to BSF. In difficult terrains, they do manage, and we are secure because of them. Congratulations on their 57th Raising Day here from Jaisalmer.